hydraulic press channel. Today we have coins for our press. First we are going to crush some euro coins, and then we have a lot of Finnish old pennies, and then we are going to stack to high tower and going to see what happens to that. But first, €1 coin. Coin disappeared. We must try to remove it. Yeah, the euro coin stuck to the press and it kind of destroyed itself, but there is also quite deep hole in the pressing surface. I must fix that for next coin. Next we are going to make tasty money hamburger out of coins. For the bottom pan we are going to use 50-cent coin. Then for the tasty burger we have 5 cents, and the top one is 20 cents. Yeah, it's going to be very tasty. The hamburger somehow penetrated the buns, and there's again that deep dent on the pressing surface. What the fuck? Yeah, I have to go to repair our bottom part once more again for our final experiment. We found the top part of our hamburger. It was stuck to the top part of the press. And for the final part of this video, we have this beautiful tower of coins. For this one I'm going to use my new blast shield to prevent dangerous coins reaching us. And for the last part, again, tower of coins. This time we went a little bit smaller because the higher tends to fall down. Let's see. Yes. I think that we managed to do one big coin. I open the blast shield and we have a look. So all the coins integrated to each other and made this one big coin. I think that I am going to have to make this coin video again sometime in future, and for that I'm going to make much harder pressing tools to prevent this dent occurring and the coins surviving. I think I can make a lot bigger coins with those tools. But thank you for watching and have a nice day. For today's extra content we have this lovely giraffe. It was asked by our young fan, Alison, 4 years old. It doesn't look very dangerous, but it still may attack at any time, so we must deal with it.